Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are gathered here to discuss a critical aspect of project management, the implementation of ISO 21500 within our organizations. ISO 21500 is an international standard that provides guidance on project management principles and processes, ensuring organizations can achieve their objectives efficiently and effectively. Let's start by understanding the importance of ISO 21500 and its significance in today's dynamic business environment. Importance of ISO 21500. ISO 21500 serves as a framework for project management, offering a common language and set of principles that enable organizations to deliver successful projects consistently. By adhering to ISO 21500, organizations can enhance project performance, mitigate risks, and improve stakeholder satisfaction. Now let's explore how we can effectively implement ISO 21500 within our organizations. Assessment and gap analysis. Conduct an initial assessment of existing project management practices against ISO 21500 requirements to identify gaps and areas for improvement. Leadership commitment. Secure leadership buy-in and commitment to ensure organizational support for the implementation process. Training and awareness. Provide comprehensive training and awareness programs to educate project managers and team members about ISO 21500 principles and practices. Documentation and standardization. Develop standardized project management documentation, including policies, procedures, and templates aligned with ISO 21500 requirements. Continuous improvement. Establish mechanisms for continuous improvement, such as regular reviews, audits, and lessons learned sessions to enhance the effectiveness of project management practices over time. Benefits of implementing ISO 21500. By implementing ISO 21500, organizations can reap numerous benefits, including improved project performance, enhanced project planning, execution, and control, leading to improved project outcomes and stakeholder satisfaction. Better risk management. Systematic identification, assessment, and mitigation of project risks, reducing the likelihood of costly delays and failures. Enhanced collaboration. Clear communication channels, roles, and responsibilities foster collaboration and teamwork among project stakeholders. Increased efficiency and effectiveness. Streamlined project management processes result in greater efficiency, resource optimization, and cost savings. Global recognition. Adherence to international standards enhances organizational credibility and competitiveness in the global marketplace. In conclusion, implementing ISO 21500 is not just about compliance, it's about driving organizational excellence and achieving project success. By embracing the principles of ISO 21500, we can navigate the complexities of project management with confidence and deliver value to our stakeholders. Thank you for joining us today, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.